SyCool is a highly efficient, waterless data center cooling solution. Its flexible, scalable, split system design can be configured to meet the cooling needs of today's data centers and provide a low annual PUE with zero water use. In this example, the SyCool 500 kilowatt condensers are installed on the building roof, connected to matching 500 kilowatt computer room air handling units in the data center below. The thermosiphon moves the heat from the servers out of the data center passively, without the need of a pump. Inside the data center, the refrigerant in the thermosiphon evaporates as the hot air from the IT equipment flows through it. The vapor naturally rises up to the condenser where the heat is removed from the thermosiphon loop, changing the vapor back to a liquid. The liquid refrigerant then flows back down by gravity and the process starts all over again. When it is cool outside, all the heat can be rejected from the thermosiphon loop by the passive condenser coils. As the ambient temperature increases, compressors stage on to gradually transfer the load to the active condensers. The thermosiphon is separated from the active refrigeration system by a heat exchanger and always operates passively at a low pressure and does not require any lubricants. The SyCool system can be configured in multiple ways, depending on the design of the data center. For example, two separate 250 kilowatt computer room air handling units can be connected to a single 500 kilowatt condenser. The 250 kilowatt units can be configured for flooded room or underfloor air distribution. If liquid cooling is required, either as a new installation or an adaptation from an air-cooled system, a 500 kilowatt liquid cooling evaporator can be provided to remove heat from liquid-cooled equipment. For applications as demanding as AI processing, more advanced solutions may be necessary. Through a collaborative effort, Munters and Zudicor have created an innovative, end-to-end, two-phase liquid cooling solution from heat absorption at the chip all the way to heat rejection to the atmosphere. This first-of-kind, truly waterless solution offers savings in installed cost and increased energy efficiency, all while reducing risks associated with single-phase solutions such as potential leaks or fluid degradation over time. Because it is a two-phase solution, it is also able to cool the most demanding GPUs and CPUs, and it eliminates the many complications associated with corrosion, biofouling, etc. from water-based liquid cooling approaches. Easily scalable, SyCool Z allows data center customers to meet their sustainability goals cost-effectively, while completely avoiding water use in any capacity. The SyCool Split System is an award-winning, efficient, and scalable waterless data center cooling solution. Contact us directly or visit us at munters.com to find out how you can apply SyCool to meet your data center cooling needs.